Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about H-1B visa. What is H-1B visa and what are the requirement documents to apply for the H-1B visa? Earlier we have made a video in Malayalam regarding the H-1B visa. In that some are commenting they need the English version. So here I am explaining in English regarding what is H-1B visa and how to apply for the H-1B visa. H-1B visa is a normal visa. For example, if you are working in Middle East like Gulf countries, you are getting the visa like 2 years or 3 years like that. Same like that one job visa you are getting in USA. This H-1B visa will not get all category. It will get only selective category like doctors, nurses, IT professions, such category which is not available. The category is not easily available in USA. Such category only will get the H-1B visa. Normal H-1B visa is valid for 3 years. Once you get the visa, it is valid for 3 years, and as per the policy, it can renew one more 3 years. Total 6 years, you will get H-1B visa. But if you have already applied, once you enter the USA, if you have already applied for green card application, then this H-1B visa can renew unlimited. Normally, one person, especially from India, if one person apply for the green card, the time frame will take 10 to 15 years to get the green card. So, if you have already started the green card application, this H-1B visa is unlimited. We can renew until you get the green card. When you apply for the H-1B visa, the birth certificate is required. So if you do not have birth certificate, please try to prepare it. It might record. And normally the bachelor degree holders are eligible to apply for the H-1B visa. Second, with the H-1B visa, you and your family can go. But the problem, the person who has H-1B visa, they can work. But the family, the spouse, when you go along with your spouse with H-1B visa, the spouse is getting H-4 visa. With this H-4 visa, we are not able to work. So what we have to do means, once you reach in the USA, we have to apply for the green card application. Once you start the green card, then the spouse can apply for EAD. Once you get the EAD, he or she can practice. But the green card application, it cannot apply by yourself. It can apply through your company who gives you the job. Normally, when you get the offer letter, in that their company is mentioning, we will start the green card application after 6 months. Some offer letters, you can see that the green card application will start after 2 years. It's a dependent state and a dependent company who gives you. When you get the offer letter, you can understand that when they are going to apply for the green card. The green card application you cannot apply by yourself. It can apply through your company only. So we have to wait their turn. And so if after 6 months, if the green card application starts, then like 7 to 8 or 9 months, your spouse can also work because we can apply for EAD. But the company is saying that we will apply the green card application after 2 years. Then after 2 years only, the spouse can apply for EAD. Once we get EAD only, he or she can work. If you are an Indian, but you have UK passport or Irish passport, but when you apply for the green card, it might consider as an Indian only. As for the place of birth, it will consider. And once you get the offer letter from USA, then you can apply for the consulate interview. So when you apply for the consulate interview, you have to fill the DS-160. That form has to be carefully filled. Then you can take the appointment for the interview for appointment in consulate. And for the Middle East, Europe, Africa, it's easy to get the appointment. But from India, it will take a little time to get the appointment. So people pay for it. And when we tell about the nurses, if anyone wants to go to USA planning for H-1B visa, you have to complete your part at the beginning. You have to do your CGFNS verification or any other board verification which you are doing. To complete the CGFNS verification, you have to take the approval and you have to clear the NCLEX examination. Once you complete the NCLEX examination, then you have to clear the OET, IELTS or PTE, whichever you want, and you have to do the visa screening CGFNS. Once you have completed visa screening CGFNS only, you are able to attend the interview. So if you have a plan, if you have an idea, don't think about the visa now. Think about the NCLEX examination and the visa screening CGFNS. Once it's complete, then only you are able to attend the interview. My name is Shijo Thomas. I am a health licensing consultant from Foreign Plus Health Professional and Facility Registration firm, Dubai. We do the professional registration for various countries like USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, and the Middle East like UAE, Qatar, Saudi Oman, Bahrain. And if you want to do the CGFNS verification, or if you want to take the assistant for the fingerprint test, or you want to take the NCLEX examination approval, or if you want to take the consulate interview appointment, or filling the DS-160, any kind of service if you require, we are here to help you. You can contact at any time. Thank you very much.